Dang. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so
All right.
Okay. Question number 3. In previous lessons, we assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we're making a different assumption about standard deviation. What has changed?
that it's unknown.
I was gonna say, yeah, it's still unknown.
Yeah.
Okay. The null hypothesis, mean equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis, mean is less than, or yeah, mean is greater than the 8, and the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of n equals 9 and computes x equals 11 and s equals 6. Use this information for questions 4 and 5. So, the standard deviation.
No.
What?
Oh, 4. Sorry, I was answering.
It would be no though, right?
Yeah.
Not. Okay. What's the value of t? I need a calculator.
What's the formula for that again?
It's t equals, I don't know, it's x the line over it, minus u, or mean, over s divided the square root of n.
Okay.
Sorry, I need a paper. Okay, so would the mean be 8?
That's what I used.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it 0.2?
I got
I got
1.5.
I got 1.5 too. 11 minus 8 over 6 divided by the square root of 3.
Square root of what?
Divided by 3.
Oh, sorry. Square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3.
3.
Sorry, it's just...
So you got 1.05?
Just 1.5.
1.5.
Yeah. Okay. Using the following values, which we pull from the data file body temp, copy and paste them into the software you are assigned to use. Using the null hypothesis of the mean equals 98.6, the alternative hypothesis of 98. The mean is greater than 98.6, and the significance level of 0.05. Are you guys using SPSS?
Yeah.
I feel like that's the best way. Dang, I should have already had it open. Let me find it. Sorry, mine's downloading. What program are you going to pull up on SPSS? Is it just their Excel?
I'm just doing Excel. That's all I have. But
Here. Because it's all just like pressing enter, right? Like, I mean, it's not really any formulas. It's just you're just plugging it in. Sorry, that was mine.
What does it want us to find?
X. What is X?
Mean?
Sorry, what?
Mean?
No, it's X with this line over it. Maybe that's mean. I don't know.
Yeah, because they like, I don't know like when they switch them, because sometimes it means mean and sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean.
I would assume. Ninety-eight point two two.
What?
98.22. That's what I got.
Yeah.
Haven't got it up yet.
I hate these programs so much. Okay, and then S.
What's S in this equation?
Sorry, what?
What's S?
Don't remember. Let me see.
Be right back.
S, we used it in the formula, but I don't know what it stands for. They just gave it to us in the problem above.
Sorry. So
Wait,
how do we
S?
find? So how do we find S?
I'm still trying to figure it out.
All right. Hold on.
Yeah, what? Is it the standard deviation?
It's like it.
Because the closest I'm looking right now at or it's the standard error. That's what it is. So it should be in the second column. I cannot figure this out. Okay.
Is it the sample standard deviation?
Yeah. Because on the example in the reading, it's the same number as the standard deviation, or it's a little off. It's called the standard error, but that might just be the same thing. Here, I'm trying to. Are you just using normal Excel, Marco?
Yep.
Where did you find the analyze?
The what?
Like to press analyze on it? I'm still trying to figure it out.
I just did, so you do equals, and to get the mean, you just do average. So AV, and it should pull up.
Okay. What about like to get all the numbers we're doing now?
I'm not sure if you can get those.
Okay.
I'm not positive.
Okay.
But um, if it's just standard deviation, then you just push ST, and you just highlight the numbers, and it'll give you it.
Kylie, what are you getting?
I don't know. I'm trying to find where to get it, but
Yeah, I should just pull up SPS. How did you just open up Excel then in SPS and use that?
I'm trying to figure out how to do it.
Yeah.
Um,
I don't know what else I would use. Like what other?
yeah. So I guess you just copy.
I'm trying to find because on the instructions it says go to analyze and then descriptive data and then go to something else.
Yeah.
Finding it. It's the same as Excel on whatever it's called. On the normal computer.
Oh yeah.
Did you get it?
Well, I'm just looking here on the examples, and it is just the standard deviation.
Okay, so that is the answer for that one?
That's what I'm assuming, but we just round it, obviously. So it'd be like 0.922.
Sorry, let me get back to it. I'm on SBS. What did you get?
0.922.
Okay, I'm gonna keep trying to figure this out. We still find the t-score. To find the t-score and the p-score, you still use this, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because before, like on the test, the analyzer's just at the top, and then I was able to do it. But it's not like that anymore.
Right, yours does it have analyze on the top?
No.
Oh. I'm looking at it now and mine does.
Yeah, see, mine doesn't have that at all, and I don't know. I mean, it's had it before, so I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. Did you just copy and paste the values into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what you did?
Yeah.
So yours does have the analyze, though, on top?
Yeah, it's right by transform and graphs.
Yeah, see, and that's how it was for me when I did it in the past. Are you just using Excel? Like you opened up SPSS and then you opened up Excel?
I just opened a new thing.
A new thing?
Yeah. It looks like Excel.
What did you click?
I just went to File, New, and then Data.
Okay. Okay. Do you got it, Kylie? Because I can't figure this out right now.
Do I have what?
The T-score.
I'm working on it right now, yeah.
Sorry, I don't know why.
I understand it's frustrating sometimes, so.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not. I'm looking for another file. I mean, like another app to use.
Okay, so it says to move the variable containing your data values into the test. Oh wait, never mind. I got that one. Never mind.
Okay.
What is the U?
The U is the mean.
Yeah. What's it? Isn't it given? Is U given?
Oh yeah. The U is 98.6.
Okay.
Can a T-score be negative? Yep.
I don't think. Maybe.
I think it can be because I got negative 1.843.
Yep, that's what I got.
How did you get that, Marco? Did you
Just that
find?
formula.
Yeah. Oh, there's the formula. Okay. What'd you guys get?
Negative 1.843.
Thanks, guys. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my.
It's not.
You're fine.
I need to figure out how to use it before the test. And then the p-value, we calculate that, don't we?
We know how. Is that what you said?
Well, don't we calculate it ourselves? Like we don't use the software.
Oh, sorry. I'm not. I didn't look at the next question. Oh, the p-value? Yeah, I think we do it ourselves.
Okay.
Get the formula for p-value.
Yeah, I'm looking for it. Isn't that just using the applet?
It's. I found somewhere where it was.
Yes. I want to see it.
Have you guys found a formula, or are you just using the applet?
I thought I saw a formula on here before, but maybe.
Yeah, I'm like looking for it right now.
Yeah, maybe I just was seeing things.
Maybe. It's the p-value is this two-tailed thing
Yeah.
on the software.
On the applet?
Yes, we use.
No, on like the SPSS. Like when you put it in, you find the other like T. It's right next to it. It's this. It's the.
The SIG second tailed.
Yeah, the second tailed.
So that's 0.081.
Okay. And then we would wouldn't we reject the null
So.
because it's greater? Come in. Hey. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be right back. 1 second.
Okay. So if the p-value is less than alpha, then we reject the null.
Yes.
Or you can share those. Hey.
So
So if it's more, we fail to reject.
Yeah.
alpha is that. So it's greater. So yeah, we'll fail to reject.
Hey, sorry, guys. Sorry. Did we say we're rejecting the null?
We're failing to reject because it's if
Oh, it's if it's
greater.
greater than.
Yeah.
I always flip that in my head. Okay. Crap. The next one is the same thing, I think.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
You don't really have to do it though. Well, I guess we do.
Sorry, guys, I'm not being a big help today. I'm all scattered. If you guys want food, we're gonna have food at my ward activity that I'm about to make in 5 minutes. Just kidding, you're fine. So don't you just have to copy and paste it and then find the two-tailed value? Because once we find that, then we just, if the significance level is 0.01, so all we need is that 2 sig thing.
Okay. Okay, and what was the what's the mean?
40.
Alright, so okay, so I got 0.995.
For the p-value?
Yeah.
So then we would fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay. So you try to just.
oh, cause yeah, right?
Yeah, fail to reject. And then the next one, it's does the p-value increase or decrease if you change
Less
the
than.
mean to less than?
It'll increase, no?
Wouldn't it increase? But then you would still, oh, maybe it would. I don't know.
Wait, I remember reading that.
Yeah, me too. It was in the, I always watch the videos.
Okay, so I put in 30 for it to see, and it turned to 0.22.
Oh, so it decreased. Well, then, would there be a chance then that we would reject the null hypothesis because it could become greater than 0.1?
So it's still greater, so it's still fail to reject, right?
Yeah, but it's just 30. If it's anything less than 40,
oh yeah,
1, and then we would reject it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know how we're going to answer 14 and 15. I mean, I would say fail to reject, but if it jumped to 0.22, just from going from 40 to 30, then if you put it down to 20, it's going to be 1 point something, and then
yeah,
it's 0.22. You said?
Yeah.
Yeah, because then if you get down to like 10, then it's going to be less than or greater than 1.1.
Yeah.
Maybe it says something to do if you're trying to find. Oh, you just divide you just divide our sig2 number by 2, and that's it. It says it in the thing. So the p-value is 0.995, and if you divide that by 2, you're the best. I have my list.
I brought mine over because I didn't
Oh,
know you were
sweet.
I didn't want to
Yeah. Sorry, I'm almost
all
done.
at the same time.
Yeah. So I got it's 0.4975. So it's still decreased, but we still failed to reject. And then which one is wider? Wouldn't number 11 be wider? Question 11.
I think so.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and submit, and then